We got the 2013 27-inch iMac today, which takes extremely long time to load up, and sometimes the applications quit or they don't perform well. Usually this is an indication that the hard drive is failing and need to be replaced. We usually get around 10 years life out of those hard drives, but that doesn't mean that we need to replace the whole iMac, because we cannot buy these iMacs anymore. This one's a 27-inch 5K screen iMacs, and awesome machines. So we can easily replace that drive with a new SSD drive and get it up and running. Right, you can see when I click about this Mac, it takes absolute ages to load up. Whenever we click, nothing really responds on time. So this is a clear indication that yeah, the machine is not happy, especially the spinning wheels. There you go. It's frozen now. It's not even responding to clicks. Let's load up our service system and check the state of the hard drive. Once we boot our service system, we can see that the internal Fusion hard drive is failing, and almost 14,000 unrecoverable errors. So this is quite serious value. Usually it's an indication that it has been overheating for a really long time. And considering that it's 2013 model and never been serviced, most likely since it has been bought 10 years ago, not surprising that the hard drive is failing. Let's take it apart. Right, so we will remove the screen, which is fortunately glued into the back cover with quite strong double-sided adhesive, which we need to slice through to be able to remove the screen without damaging. And we can see how the double-sided tape is holding the screen. And if we separate the screen, we can see the reason why the hard drive failed inside. Look at the amount of dust collected inside of this iMac. And there's the Fusion drive, which we need to replace. So these iMacs, they use 3.5-inch mechanical hard drives, which are boosted with a little SSD, which is fitted on the other side over here. And that SSD is basically cache-like, in a cache-like configuration, which helps to boost the performance of these rather slow mechanical hard drives. But mainly we need to point out that the lack of system service is the reason why these hard drives fail. Although it's been 10 years in service, if this machine was serviced on a regular basis, this would not happen. And not only the hard drive, also the dust on electronics might cause a power supply failure or graphic card failure. So this model comes with a quite powerful graphic card on the other side, and if not serviced on a regular basis, might fail pretty easy. We just service the iMac, and you can see the difference immediately between serviced and unserviced system. Okay, we're done with installation of the SSD drive, and now we're gonna close the screen back, and this iMac should be good to go. So let's glue the corners and install fresh operating system. Okay, let's prepare the drive. So it's a 1 terabyte drive with a Micron SSD chips on it, extremely reliable drives. And so we'll install Monterey operating system on it, which might take up to an hour. So let's get it going. We're ready with this 27-inch 2013 iMac, where we installed Monterey operating system and 1 terabyte SSD. We also went and transferred all the data back and set up the email to send receive the emails which customer constantly communicates with. And yeah, device is good to go. Another good example why these machines are so great. Actually, this customer had a appointment with a Genius Bar, and when he took it to them, they pretty much said it's too old, better is buy a new one. But at the same time, one of the staff members over there advised him to look for other ways to get it repaired, because you cannot buy these machines anymore. These beautiful 27-inch iMac devices, yeah, they don't exist anymore. The 24 is the best you can get, and they're not even 5K. Not to mention that they're not upgradable. So if you want to buy something like this with 1 terabyte SSD drive in it, you're looking at least 3,000 Australian dollars. Well, we managed to bring this one back to life with all the data for the fraction of that price. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need the service, all the information is in the description. Keep your devices out of the landfill. They're worth it.